So today, first we will discuss about Nifty Volatility Index. What is Nifty Volatility Index indicator? So first we have to start with volatility. So you can type in chat box Rupesh sir, Balaji sir. You can type in chat box. So look at this India Week daily chart. India Weeks currently trading at 16.34 level. Okay. So now tell me, India Weeks is increasing. So what does that mean? Okay. So volatility increasing. That means market is volatile. So fear is there. Can I say fear is there? Yes or no? Sorry for waiting. All of you, sorry for waiting. Is that clear? I want reply from all of you. Whenever volatility is increasing, remember fear is there. Higher chance that market will fall. Okay. So now let's move to the volatility. So can you see here currently volatility is trading at between 15 to 17 level. Yes or no? Please reply. Can you see here? Please reply. Yes. So focus. If on Monday these two level both are important level. Both are important level. So if volatility increasing above this 17, higher chance you will see further fall in Nifty, because that will bring fear in the market and market can fall, right? So if it is falling, then that is very good for bullish market, so we can plan bullish trade. But as of now, market is bearish, market is volatile, so no bullish trade as of now. So now let's move to the Nifty. So this is Nifty weekly chart. So look at this weekly chart and tell me what is happening in weekly chart. What kind of pattern you are getting here? I want reply from all of you. What type of pattern here? Lower high, lower low. Can I say lower low as well? Stock is making lower high and lower low. So stock is creating downtrend channel. Can you see here? Fully downtrend. Perfect. Now let's open option chain Nifty 50. Look at this option chain and tell me what is happening here. So this is writing data. So which side writer are very strong? Call side or put side? Writer सबसे ज्यादा strong कहाँ पे है? So green color data is put data, red color data from call. So obviously we can say that call writer very strong. So now let me show you FII DII data. So look at this data. So this data is from 17 December, that is Friday. Okay, so here FII selling 470 crore, but look at this. What about this? So this is option data. So in option they have sold 5,264 crore. So can I say FII selling, FII more interested in call writing as compared to future selling? Yes, I want reply from all of you. So this is FII trading activity. So future index 470 crore and index option 5,264 crore. So they are more interested in call writing as compared to future sell. So can you see here? So look at this data. So they are interested in FAR OTM call, that is 17,300, 17,400 and 17,500. So they are interested in FAR OTM call. They are not interested in put selling. Now let me show you one more interesting fact here. Look at this data. Only one strike price having highest put writing, that is 17,000. Yes or no? Look at this data. Only one strike price. At that price 17 put writer very strong as compared to all other strike price. Here 17,000 level is very important level. So let's say Monday morning 17,000 level is not sustaining, good to short. Don't buy put, Srinuji. Good to short. Short means what? We have to follow bearish strategy, bear put spread and protective call. So this is about Nifty. So Nifty as per data 17,000 is support, 17,000 is support level, and FII DII interested in FAR OTM call. So resistance is not yet clear. Okay, it might be 17,200, it might be 300 or it might be 500, बट वहां तक तो जाएगा ही नहीं. आने वाले एक्सपायरी में, आने वाले 4 दिन में निफ्टी यहां तक जाएगा ही नहीं. So we have to consider closer level. So that is 17,200 level. Okay. So now let's check PCR. So Nifty PCR put call ratio is equal to 0.50. Bullish sentiment, bearish sentiment, correct, bearish sentiment. Now let's check monthly expiry. So now here is another twist. So monthly expiry, look at this data, and PCR, monthly expiry PCR is 1.24. So what is sentiment for monthly expiry? Bullish sentiment or bearish sentiment? Monthly expiry, bullish sentiment or bearish sentiment? Yes, Vinayak ji, 0.50, yes, you can consider oversold as well. So now focus here, monthly expiry. So monthly expiry bullish data. And look at this data, at which level highest put writing is going on. Look at this data, massive put writing is going on in monthly expiry. Can I say right? Put writer very strong in monthly expiry and call writer very strong in weekly expiry. Can I say divergence is there? One is bullish, one is bearish. एक बता रहा है बुलिश, एक बता रहा है बेरिश. तो ऐसे मार्केट में हमें कौन सा स्ट्रेटेजी अप्लाई करना चाहिए? See, मार्केट इज फुल ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी. डजंट मैटर मार्केट इज चॉपी, मार्केट इज वोलाटाइल, मार्केट इज फ्लैट, doesn't matter. You have to find out opportunity. तो आप मुझे बताना हमें क्या करना चाहिए. Option buying strategy, option selling strategy. So weekly is negative and monthly is bullish. So buy on dips. So now focus here. What I will do? I don't know market will go up. I don't know market will fall. I will work with strategy. So which is the best strategy in sideways market? Any example of sideways market? गोपाल सर 18,000 जाएगा कि नहीं जाएगा वो हमें पता नहीं है, बट उसके अंदर हमें पैसा बनाना है. सो आने वाले 4 दिन में या तो मार्केट 17,500 के यहाँ पे रहेगा या तो 16,500 के अंदर ही एक्सपायर होगा. राइट, करेक्ट विनायक जी. वी हैव टू क्रिएट बटरफ्लाई स्प्रेड स्ट्रेटेजी इन विच एक्सपायरी वी कैन प्लान बटरफ्लाई, वीकली एक्सपायरी और मंथली एक्सपायरी. नो, नॉट स्ट्रैंगल इज हाई रिस्क स्ट्रेटेजी, अनलिमिटेड लॉस इज देयर. करेक्ट निशित जी, यू आर राइट. वी हैव टू प्लान बटरफ्लाई इन मंथली एक्सपायरी एंड डोंट वरी, आई विल प्रोवाइड दैट स्ट्रेटेजी because I'm still expecting little high volatile market. So once volatility is high, at that time we can plan butterfly. Have you noticed that on Friday I haven't provided any sideways strategy? Otherwise normally every Friday we apply sideways strategy every Friday, but this Friday no trade because I am expecting India VIX to around 17 to 18 level. So whenever volatility is high, what is our action? Option buy, option sell. क्या करना चाहिए? Option buy करना चाहिए या sell करना चाहिए? Correct. So that's why we have to plan iron butterfly. So now let's find out range for monthly expiry. So as of now, I will consider far range. So monthly expiry range is from 16,500 to 17,500. So we have to create strategy so that will cover entire this range. And don't worry DTS student, I will provide this trade in your group, so don't worry about that. So Nifty clear, 17,500 is resistance and 16,500 is support.
Register for our free webinar. Download our app today. Link in description.